over. Work it harder, make it better. Do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever. After hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better.
Look at that.
X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pop-up, stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make a motherfucker wonder if you get it. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am light, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I'll break who you sending me. You motherfuckers never wanted nothing but your life saved. Bitch, and that's on a life day. I'm getting down, down.
I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. Of this morning, tie my boots up, cause I knew it's gonna be a long day. Tie my truck up, grab my coffee, kiss my baby, got on my way. Cause I'm working till it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's wage. I'm out the door by
Vi befinner oss på toppen av Akershus festning, hvor det I dag skal holdes en klinkende fest, hvis det lov å si.
Välkommen till festen, det blir vilda västern. Galna hyresgästen, vill komma förresten. Välkommen till Blinding Lights, the Blinding Lights, the good.
Just let them know that we have a finite amount of time on this planet, and you can be viciously mediocre, or you can get the fuck after it.
Wait a minute, 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch hoes, get the most, not the lizard. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that product you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm bumping Project Petter.
Fucking boss asked me how busy I've been, and I said, mate, I've been that fucking busy. I passed myself coming back the other way. That's how fucking busy I've been. I'm out there in front, and I'm going to be hard to run down from here, I can tell you that right. Oh, yeah! That gives me a big stiffy.
I've been around the world. This is a man's world.
Hey,
But it wouldn't be nothing without a woman or a girl.
started out riding, man, with the geezers when this shit didn't work out to pop out the cheek. All of them times my bad ass still ain't listen, was living, but taught me the way.